Hi, this is Diogo Heitman, and this is my video recording for CIT 336 Enhancement 7. And I'm starting by showing you my admin page where I made a couple of changes, especially regarding the retrieving the data, where I've set this function to access the database and retrieve all the client information, and I'm just using the session ID because I think it's more accurate to work with this and more easy as well. And this function, it's being called, and it is right here in my module. Here's the get account info. So it's basically going to the database and retrieving all the information from the client's table. So I can use to fill the forms and to update the forms. And I've also included an if statement here just to make sure if the user has a level greater than 1. So it means that he is an admin and he can also update the products. So here I've created a new view called Client Update, and here I have the form and all the data that is supposed to be. I've just split it in two forms. One for the update of client first name, last name, and email, and another one separated just to update the password, so the user can process this in 2 steps. And it is also better to work on this because the user can easily access the password and not having any problems updating this information. And here in my accounts module, I have all the connections to update, here to update the password, and here to update the client information. Okay, and here in my controller I have all the structure, the account update to update all the account information, the password update to update password information, and here to get also the data to work on the forms. So let's see this working. Here I'll just log in first as my user, which is not an admin. So you can see that there is no option to add or modify products. See, the information is here, the user, but there is no link to products. So just log out, and I'll log in now as an admin. And now you can see that there is a link to products, and here the instruction to use this link to manage products. Okay, so now just show the form to update the accounts. So clicking here, I have all the basic data to update, so I'll just change the last name to admin super user, and I'll click update, and as you can see the new data is here, super user. And now I can go back. I'll try to put an email that is already in my database just to show that it is validating, to not create duplicates. So try to put my email and update and see that there is a message saying that this address already exists. Okay, and I'll just do a modification with my user now, just to show the password change. So go to my user now, and I'll just change here the password. Before doing this, I'll just show you that here's I've not updated yet. I've just made the modifications, and here I'll just update to see the data modifying here. Okay, so here's the super user now, and I'll just modify the password. So take a look at the first string here that, in this case for my user, it will change when I hit the button. So password for user was successful changed. Okay, and now we can see that this is going to change. See, password is already updated and it's running fine. So I think this is what the enhancement is about. So thank you.